Okay, I'm going to try this video again. I got interrupted on the last one. I had to start over. Okay, this is Unit 7 Review Part 2. This is the one that I asked you if you had time and would to go and do it first and see how well you did and then do it with me. I'd be interested in hearing how you did. Okay, school starts at that time shown on the clock. Well, this is the time that they're saying school starts. Our school starts at a different time. But at what time does this school start? Okay, first of all, we look at the shorthand, the hour hand, and this hour hand is between the 8 and the 9. Okay, it hasn't made it to the 9 yet, so it is 8. It's halfway between the 8 and the 9, but we take the first number, 8. Then we have our 2 dots that separate the hours from the minutes. And then we look at the minute hand. And the minute hand is pointing halfway down. We divide the clock in half. It would be halfway. And we count the minute hand. It's a big hand. It counts by 5s. So we start the station 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 8:30. Half past 8. 8:30. Okay, what is the value of these coins? Well, the first 2 coins are a light color, so they are gray or silver. The others are dark color, that is the copper or the brown. So the first one is Eisenhower, and the coin beside of it, is a torch with leaves. So Eisenhower and the torch with the leaves, smallest coin, that's worth 10 cents. So both of those are worth 10 cents. The other coin has Lincoln Memorial on the back and Lincoln on the front, and those are worth what? 1 cent. So 10, 20, those are 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, those are the ones. So it is 26 cents. Or 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Okay, so turn the page. And it says there are 10 balls in all. Are there more regular balls or more soccer balls? Tell how you know. Find the number for the blank. Well, if you look at the chart, it says there's 3 footballs, 3 regular balls, but it doesn't tell us how many soccer balls. But it does tell us there are 10 in all. So how are we going to find out how many soccer balls there are? Well, when we're talking about 10, I'm thinking 10 frame. Anytime we're talking about 10, a 10 frame can be used to find the answer. So I have 3 footballs. That wasn't very good. 3 regular balls. So what does that leave for the soccer balls? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 soccer balls. Another way I could have done it is 3 plus 3 equals 6, right? 5, 6. And then there are 10 altogether. So 10 take away 6 equals 4. That is another way I could have done it. So find the number for the box. Well, it was 4. So it asked, are there more regular balls or more soccer balls? So regular balls there's 3, soccer balls are 4, so there are more soccer balls. Tell how you know your answer is correct. Well, I just drew it right up here. Or if I want to put it in words, I would say, now in math, words are number sentences. So we could just put 3 plus 3 equals 6. And 10 take away 6 equals 4. Okay? Then on page 331, it says, show the measurement problem. Show how to draw, compare, and measure. Okay, draw a black crayon shorter than the white crayon. Well, there's black that's shorter than white. See how they're all starting in the same point. They drew a line, which we should always do when we're doing our work. Draw a gray crayon shorter than the black crayon, and they did. Now it says, complete the sentences. The gray crayon is the shortest. The white crayon is the tallest. Now it says, use your blocks your tiles and your rectangular blocks and find the links. And it says they measured the tallest crayon and they found that it was 9. I'm not going to do it since they already said they did it. And it's about, oh, wait a minute. Yeah. And the other one is about 6. Okay. Then turn the page. Here it says, show how to draw, compare, and measure. Draw 3 lines. Make them different lengths. You choose the lengths, make them different colors. Okay, so draw 3 lines. So I'm going to make a red one, a blue one, and a yellow one. Okay, it says the blank line is the shortest. So I look at that, the blue. How do we spell blue? B-L-U-E. The blank line is the longest. Which is the longest? The yellow. Remember, words that start with y is the Y. Y at the beginning of the word says y. Okay. Now, length of the shortest line and of the other line. Well, if I take the tiles, and this is the tiles, the length of the shortest line, and that is my blue line, would be about 1, 2, 3, 4. Would be about 4. And the length in rectangles would be 3. 1, 2, 3 would be 3. Okay. Now, the other pages are games that you can do at home. You can work on these games, check the measures, do the recording sheets. Then you come to the index page and you come to some practice pages. These pages you can also do as practice. You can keep those and do them as practice. Okay, I'm going to do another video where I explain about what you need to be turning in. So this is something, though, that you can keep at home and work and practice at home. And that is all of the math that we had assigned for you to do. You do have those other units that we did not finish that you might want to go back and look at and try doing. Like I said, we talked to the second grade teachers. They say you will be working on that next year, but you might be able, you might go ahead and look at that. I think we got to page 221 in those, and then there was the next lesson on add and regroup. So you might be looking at those. Okay, thank you for all the hard work that you've put into this and all that you've done. Have a nice summer.